drinking his riders, nothing. All they do, they go on stage, you see them just doing like this, like trying to. I don't understand that guy's mentality. Like literally, that guy, what he does every time, if you can go and check every post, man, he always trying to discredit other artists. I don't know why people don't know Travis song. They only know his intro. Ah, ha, ha, wow, wow. They only know that. When he's rapping, when he's doing all those type of things, monopolize a line. That player, he must just leave what he's doing, go back to practice, and play football rather than, yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy LBK, Sunny Africa. You know what it is? We're back with another bang. Yo, it's been a crazy week, yo. So I just uploaded my last interview, so my last episode number 12. So currently we're sitting on episode number 30. So if you have to check out the last episode, so better go and check out the last episode that I've been recording. Yo, bro, it's been a crazy week. Yo, first of all, I just want to say thank you to Nelly Master Beach. You know what I'm saying? Like, he's the one who's proving me wrong when it comes to the composite that side. Or yes, it's purely ukojira to serious rather than ababa what by one. Let's check the album here if you see one. If you can check the way in a it's good. You know what I'm saying? Like the way na guy, the way you go push guy, the way na kushmanga the interviews. What else was wrong to me? There is management behind him. And the management team have kind of the main music PR. This was also players. This was short as that is like it's not as well as yo, those guys need to have a proper management and I do appreciate when it comes to those things. Because if now I check before the boy released the what you call the album, I think 2 days before he had like I think more than 8 interviews, including two which were outside South Africa, which is really good. More this is what more I don't know about one of the it was running per local. Because obviously the boy already on it on stage sorry abakozama mapropono kasingo really bumdimo one so shine kuti and sure kuti right women they have to market him that side outside from where outside from South Africa one so ndizimwe zvinhu nere kunyanga zvone izvo rather than nezvinhu vari kuzvibonza watu vene vakusiku release music like you can just check or zvone izvo but just look at Karishma's album all her fans there was no fans in Karishma yeah yaichinga yo obvious album which is a hit and that album the production was good the mastering and all of the stuff I don't understand people why album ya Karishma yo but that work while she's a mainstream artist but I don't even know was Babette the one who was producing it now or Babette just give her some beats then she went and recorded on other studios because was because it wasn't really mutu wavo mudhorane atikuuita zvinhu zvakakomana so I don't know why and nanga nacheka nepla kaneli master beats nacheka even a page you can just see the boy is paid is really marketed well it's really organized azvifana nazvo zvava vamwe vane vava kusukoposta everything they like I don't understand the Karishma everything child like everything in Karishma is just havoc like literally like she doesn't treat her page as a business because of that page it already make a show and I don't understand why she's not connecting that account to a page because what the Schmitz account why is I couldn't be till account to a page because obviously I has written the more mentality those artists of the component they don't have common so I don't understand why she's literally all of them if you can check all of them their production wise is not good. Recently now, Chelsea just released some what do we call pro song kaka YouTube ke nini cheke yo pro song although the person na vhathu vamwadzana nyana tam khatha mnene osiko person na vamwadzana I don't know why in his mindset achikupusa so huna vamwe vhathu vadzana vakotoda mini vaya vhathu kumwana why ukubalula kuwana chinepe haitiwa hamwali uri track iko ikuva hamufi date nayo iko vali ngona I've been seen like we want some things like big things we just want to have a normal date good poster even and I feel like the problem when it comes to Shivishishne is the people that he hang around with that's the problem it's not like it's the problem we can understand he doesn't know much about the music. But the friends that he hang around with, they're not teaching him anything. All they does, they just chill with your shit, play PlayStation, play FIFA. They go into the road with him. When he's going to perform, he's the one who's driving. They're just chilling there, drinking his riders, nothing. All they do, they go on stage, you see them just doing like this, like trying to dance. You don't see they literally big moves. Only that, I don't know, maybe it's for protection for him. I have never seen one of them maybe trying to protect Shibushi if something bad is going on. All they does, they just stand there and wait for Shibushi to do something and then they go with it. So I don't know to tell you come on, I'm gonna team and episode understand the music. And one thing about Shibushi, you think he will be forever be famous. No. Baba. You know what I'm saying? Time will go and time will elapse. And if every time we're trying to tell you, do this, don't do this, don't do this, and every time when we're trying to tell you, you come in such a way, if you talk about me like this in your podcast, we'll fucking get you and come and the new which is literally wrong. Why every time when we have to talk about him, you have to literally like cases like uyazama ukutyhwisa abantu umona. The more problem is that is they don't understand the value of people talking about. I mean, if you can beat someone for talking about you or namusimbikana, that means omuntu nato vangasati vabanyana. And chimwe chete chine vathu havachipesesi you will never win a fight with a podcaster because of you will talk once about him. Him is all he does is talk. Come on. All he does is talk. So if nangavale akuzamuru and if I talk about him, there's literally nothing can happen. You know, it's like when the time he was trying to fight Richie B, I saw it would that shit won't go anywhere because of if he's trying to fight Richie B, a person who has a channel with a film with whoever a structure, angakona should say a platform to discredit your work and he has a huge impact follower and other followers engineer. There's always this go by saying what and I was supposed to rap hello udamba T. Team and I was rap if every time I was rap on people but say, why is this guy always talking about this guy? Why? No wonder why always they are talking about it. So I just guess maybe one day she will find it back on the social even as to like I don't know like has Spotify the boy really own these things or maybe someone was running it. Even when it comes to the distribution side, I don't know who's the distribution share because of those old songs were distributed about some company they call it media house what some media house reputation something like media house reports. So I guess it's no longer under them because of last time we saw him we went to the Sony. I didn't think he signed. He went to Universal. I didn't think he signed the deal. So because of there was the time I was talking about with this guy, and the guy told me that Shashit is still being distributed by DistroKid. I'm like, what? DistroKid? Why can't you just go and get like a deal with maybe Virgin Music? You know, proper management, proper distribution companies. They know what they are doing, and they will be grateful to be working with you, and there won't be any lapses because of you will find they will just say, yo, we'll take 20%, we'll market you, we'll put up your things, you don't have to pay us anything, we'll give you 20, we'll give you 80%, we'll take 20%. That's it. Come on. Then mutashumiwa, apromotiwa zvavudi. When because I was cheaper, we find those songs. Because of obviously now what the working with the child. Nita Zlams mostly the one as cheap as Takana. You'll find him on the cover of what the cover of Mini this is on the Spotify and while the playlist is there. Come on, for Uri the songs that I was gonna promote and a man. People are going to them. Is title a man, but because of there's no dot mentality. What we do look at they would we're just doing music for fun, and it's not about doing music for fun. You have to Utura as Dylan it's a business when it comes to him. One the quality is not the right. I mean, so there's no solution question high. It must have quality. And literally the quality is still not there. One. There's no quality there. And which is a disappointment because remember the maybe someone Numtona Aquaplita. Other Licom parties because she is the biggest Licom party. No one can dispute that. He's the biggest. Yes, you can say tribe. I feel like tribe this time is over. And for Tribe to come back again, He needs to give us another hit and prove it to us that he's a legit rapper. Because of Tribe, people don't know Tribe's song. They only know his intro. Ah, ha, wow, wow. They only know that. When he's rapping, when he's doing all those type of things, they don't know it. Come on. You can check even when he's performing. When it comes, when that part arrives of his intro and whatnot, all the fans will be jumping that. But after Upezos was written, nothing will happen. They will just be dancing while he's rapping. They don't know what is type of rapping. So he really need to convince us or he can really do it. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know Rodate America, but I hopefully there will be someone in the combo mix that will do. And what happened to the combo balcony mix? It's legitly over about it. First of the person was doing a good thing. They were just supposed to push it more every Sunday. They was just supposed to do it once in a month, once in a month, and then you have a sharp one. Then now Arisha on one. There's no more the combo balcony mix. It's over about it. Come on. And they were doing it, and it was a nice thing when they were doing it. Because it was also a place where people can network, you know what I'm saying? You'll find your Shanda Shate, your Nelly Master Pitate, your Chamtate, your Limpopo music lyrics. The guy, I don't know his name, the guy who Limpopo music lyrics is there. You know, those type of promoters, they are there, you know, and they were promoting each other, they were networking with each other. Now, those things are gone, there's no longer there, you know. I don't understand where we ever find it. It's like there's no zviṅwe kai blomanati and event. I don't understand really. Musi rachakila chiri blomanati yopera. Yo I kubva palashuma paka zviva zvikwambori yofana. Ndizvo nani ndazviona uri immediately uchifika blomanati aichawo shuma paka ne. Zvopera ngayo blomanati. It's over. Because of if yamubviswa place ne and then 2 weeks avokopera mbeke mbiri vasikuripa imwe place ntsvana zvidombo yo zvopera nga and ufanira uzama please like I don't understand uri vathu vakubara ndisi chelede kana ndimini so ufanira wotova wana imwe place haito imwe blomanati because obviously I don't know the door real this Sunday is one of the una blomanati if we see blomanati we snap Sunday that's it but literally now those two Snap Sunday just that is a bigger brand. Just that I don't know who owns Snap Sunday one, or is it owned by the Capable Boys one or the Spotless one. So this one is often a good deal. So Blomanati, your number you offer literally Rachel offer or killer vibe here I quit it. So we don't know who they tell me the vibe is so well near Rachel. So I guess there's one who they tell me. Yo, bro, that's that guy called Mengali. I don't understand that guy's mentality. Man. Like, literally, that guy, what he does every time, if you can go and check every post name, he always trying to discredit other artists. I don't know why you always want to discredit other artists. Man. Because of if you want to improve the artistry, the shoes with why every time literally need to come back as artist now want to discredit. And then if I work on yo, hey artist aingoregistera zina layo nazina layo ndingaonesa lioni then if muntu adare yo bro kombotusiwo uri ndiregistare zina lako nare let's go inbox ndinongozama uri why nisa mutusiwo muntu anepo kazi comment unendigomsimeza nongonye uri inbox mini ndizvona zvinhu zvazvikobzopinzi gatekeepers ngoma those are gatekeepers because they don't want the information to go outside they don't want other people to know information all they does is to criticize musi muntu akuita zvinhu zvabad that's all they does he criticizes and then when someone goes to him when ngachimwe avakusapozori ape muntu ziadvice navamwe vathu vake vawane ziadvice ikhaya nepala dzicommentini you will just say inbox for what why don't you just amba zvinhu zvinonyanya kuzviamba hanepo inbox hanepo kazicomment rather than ugani kuvizira mutu tuomona namurani it seems like you don't want other people to know kuti zvezvo zvitu so and this guy he was a rapper he failed while he was a rapper now he's a sort of like a promoter or beat maker something on he create content what he failed as a rapper but now because of he failed as a rapper he criticizes other rappers I don't know what is the mindset of those people who failed when they are rappers and then when times first was rappers they're now trying to criticize other rappers I don't know why I don't know. I don't understand their mindset because of ini zvonibharira musiningati varapa nati vamuthu ane navani kuimba zvine navani kuita zvonibharira zvino why nichiri zvonibharira nechikuziva zuri una vamwe vatu vari vakuita mistake nainyu naiita then also when they want information you don't want to give them, all you do is criticize them. And I haven't seen him talking like good things about the artist. Yes, we know but ndovanhu vane vakuita zvinhu zvabad, we know good but sometimes vavakukaka mara rather than utoto vanenge so criticize everything chine vatu vava kuti wainisa wanidira yorimi yo zvasori zvichimbedza so but riri kuzviita mini ari zvichimbidze so that's why Bugs achikokona because of if una artist ine kublow up and yave kunyanga tusokai wakunoshuma nayo kumwana osamfilm ukuvatusa kuti ari pe kumwana vogo distribution wakunovahwanira avo vatu avatusa avaitira kuti zvinhu zvavo zvive more professionalism rather than atova kuso criticize uzira navamwe magaenga kumwana so zviri wrong izvozvo. We don't really want that type of things. We want vatu vane vakunoita vane vadoamba vapedza vapa vamwe vatu information vane avanayo because there are many talented vulnerable artists vane they don't have even namini na material or even ndingatori not material even infrastructure avanayo mona so they trying to push but all you does is to criticize those type of people. Nifungare ava vatu vado that's why ndinoona muthu achitokuita music zvavasikuita because of people like him they don't understand kuti una vamwe vatu vane zvinhu avazvipedza apeni it's not like music is simple to understand it. Even me una zvithu zvinji hatizvidei mukuwana zvinji even those type of the artists una artists zinji zine ningaona nechimbusa ndiri ipindi mini naona muthu asadei alipindi mini naona muthu asadei difference between mixtape and album ndimini difference between an album and double disc ndimini komona naona vatu vasazvikuzvidema komona difference between publishing and masters ndimini naona vatu vasikuzvidema mara if havana vatu vanenge vava kuzama kuti vavapushe vavaudze izvo zvithu zviri ndimini difference between publishing and masters ndimini havona muthu ane ukuzama kuti ave waoneke imini ukuzama wavaudze kuti oh this is the masters, this is the publishing, then we will grow up together komona kutouraya zvavudi rather than ava vane vatotwa vakuzocriticiza vamwe vanhu ndikumona. So I guess that guy need to grow up and literally ave muthu ane utova achikutusa vatu rather than kuti achikuzula achikucriticize vatu ndikumona. That's it mwana ndizvimwe zvinhu zvine zvavari kuzvibona zvirikuita and chimwe chinhu chine and this thing of people like your LK Galamputan for him being releasing music. I feel like kill the vibe of the music. Come on. Why don't they just put their songs there? Come on. Because if you can check even the songs are whack, bro. Like only people who rap, the one who wow who take is as take. One was the generous data so so work is never quit. Come on. That's why music was a common world because of the actually they are not in tune with it. They are just doing it because of they wanna do it. Is it mean I'll go to studios, but you never see me recording because I know that's not my passion. My passion is sitting behind the camera and talk with the audience. You know what I mean? This is rather than music because of I feel like I wanna do music. No, there's una pattern business that you utambiwa ka music rather than watu vakusukunya kuita zvizvo because of nangacheka music tiwaitwa una vatu vane vatoshuma music vaushuma vachipedzawo vatu havana kuti vanadzojiwo music vani promotera wone ndihone rine ravari kwajenera wone apo upromota uamba ngawo uri oh nyinyi obvisa this type of a thread cho ikuchimbisa hani kumwana rather than uri risikutongosukunya kuita dzinyimbo zone dzidova dzikobhora hauna muthu nande vakuitecheresa nakupromotera kwaunozokuona haukaukopromotera muthu otozviita because of you trying to just do it just to prove a point. Yes, even me I can also do it, which is wrong. Come on, because there are people who legitimately want to do those type of things. Come on, legitimately when they want to write for rain. So I don't understand why but fighting over so, but literally You just have to understand music as what rino ra to rapper. Una vamwe vane va to rapper. Havana vamwe vane ri nga si rap. Come on. And then the thing, I saw cool kids saying, yo, what happened to who's this guy? Jack Barney. Why out of his album? As we are, which was America. But I guess he wanted to surprise us with the album. Come on. That's the what I think. I guess he wanted to surprise us with an album to show us who he is. I'm still here. I'm still doing this type of shit. You know what I'm saying? Because that album was literally, it didn't market it at all. The album was just released like literally just over. And the rest of the album came. In fact, I didn't listen. I think I was listening to something on Spotify. Then I go down. You know, there's a new picture. And I want to Jack Ban. Oh, Jack Ban. Like, yeah, it's Jack Ban. You know what I mean? No, I was listening one in a million. Yeah, bomb. Naraskal. Then, yeah, but the better to Jack Ban. Okay, cool. To check. Jack Ban and Chalba. Let's try Jack Ban and Chalba. As a promoter. Okay, let's listen. But I guess, man, Jack Ban. Jack Bunny is those type of artists, isn't it? Back then, we were feeling his rhymes were good, were dope because of he was still young. We were surprised because of the style that he has. It's not like we were surprised. It's not like we were impressed by the song of Scotty. No, it's because of he was young, and because he's young, and I was the mood to wave, and that one be as written like Jack Bunny rapping when he's young. Even though Ovashimolo is true about money, but literally the way you can rap it because yes, text is not the one who but there's no one who can sing it or rap it like you. Come on. That means the effort goes into you. You can't say it goes to a songwriter. Come on. Songwriter is a songwriter. That's his job to write a song. Come on. Your job is to rap it. And if who else can rap it like that? No one. So I guess the band in a was written. Never songs yo, this kid can rap like that. That's why like it was so as you know if he's doing his thing, I say this is real. This Jack Bunny is doing his things. So usually as soon as very entertaining man. I guess the album I can't say it's dope. Just an woman so the better album the teachers as well uthi if yawe kundiela you couldn't deal if it's couldn't deal I couldn't deal both of I'm literally at those type of artists in the mountain the text is like I prefer utechisa mostly paid songs, you know what I'm saying? Your prefix people who are literally talking about pain. That's type of music mean that want to go to chest a man. Then there's the songs in those teachers just to me. Of course, nibe gaming ndibuye nibe ndikubona zuru ndibonye bathulizawo ndibonye basingurizawo kungwana ndizwe zwine ndavha ndo kuzviona ngamanda kungwana so I just have to see with it I'm living game so unomuti oh metro uri kurelease this Friday yeah I can't wait now I just wanna see if metro akuri osaina deal na Makaveli projects ne deal what will it improve when he's dropping rejected EP idotusangana like deal ya isaina what will it help the numbers zawo come on when it comes to the numbers because numbers don't lie that's it we just want to see udokona ujena kazi top minimika angi kazi kazi chats udokona uzichena na come on I mean of course Tio sign that this not never was we expect I don't expect as much do expect to metro because we sign that na Makaveli project what will be the improvement the numbers is dogonya rikunya kubona ujena kazi top oh the deal is work you just sign it for it come on that means although usina zviyasaini nazvo zvine rineri kunyakubona izvo kunyakubona uri eyo deal yaasaina what type of improvements in a good and don't tell me about music video because haitova manpower yamutona havana chelede naye havana kushumisa chelede mini to come on uya chipotocha nanonyakubona metro aizidova vakati more airplay more radio airplay zinamba zametro dzive dzikugonya the views when it comes to YouTube, the best Kokonya, and other things should be topic charts. There's never and more creativity is there. Come on, the one is to show camera. This one is never really. It's really right now because of Metro sign ID. Because of you can't sign a deal now and work in that position. But you can't sign a deal and be on the same position. You have to sign a deal and improve. You know what I'm saying? And literally we have to see what you this guy has signed a deal. No, rather than so come to sign a deal then you deal I want to know come this as well. Because I haven't seen your improvement when it comes to yellow. Maybe time ngori uko to go drop a threat. Well, you just have to see what the time when he drops. Come on. But literally right now, I haven't seen anything. Achitwana chimwe chinhu mwa chinoenda kutochiona the same old yellow nula and now the music right now ndikunyanya kuona album ine yakuri kuimbisa uri itova album ya kuma yeah ndizvine ndikunyanya kuona kare so this is the album of yo Calvin Momo saying he's dropping another album bro that nigga doesn't wait bro like that nigga I feel like that nigga release a music like every 3 months he's releasing albums. You know what I'm saying? I like okay, yeah, that nigga maybe release like his own songs. He can release maybe 90, 100 songs, bro. Like and all those songs, all of them are classic, bro. Like literally that nigga, I don't understand that. That nigga is a vocal or wake alcoholic, bro. Like that nigga release music, like bro. Like for real, for real. If there's someone who always release music like, yes, book up that sometimes they release music, but not in that piece of Kelvin Momo, bro. Like Kelvin Momo doesn't waste time. I've been album of Kelvin Momo your person. You're one of them. Now it's fair. Niggas telling a story. Album is almost done. That means we can find March. The album will be out. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, I don't know why. Yo, and other thing, bro, I almost forgot. Did you see what is happening with the ANC mayor of Northwest? What is that province? Let me check. Where is that province? Uh, uh, the ANC mayor of it's Nkandla. It's something. It's a local municipality. That mayor there was a video of naked pictures of the hair trending in the social media. That actually banned the WhatsApp group. So yes, in those WhatsApp groups, there were pictures of her trending. I don't know how come, but I feel like they just want to sabotage it. It's not about yo the pictures wanna go there. No, it's someone who wants that position of the man. That's why the pictures are out. You know what I'm saying? Someone wants to 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 to, to sit on the chair that she's sitting. That's why they are what they're doing what they are doing. That's why they're doing what they are doing. So I guess they just have to be careful with it. Because it's not the first time an AMC member doing that because of the first time was Malusi Gikawa, now it's there. You know what I'm saying? Now it's there. So we just have to wait and see with the time is that AMC right now we just have to move outside the politics. They might just do their own thing there, leave us alone because of we're tired of these politicians trying to make us think like we don't know what the game that they're playing, bro. Like literally we don't know. We don't know what type of game they're playing, but them they know. So they might and the thing that us as people who are full, were stupid, we don't know what they're doing. So we just have to see. And the other thing or the famous when it comes to the soldiers, because of if you can check, there was a lieutenant who was speaking at the funeral of the soldiers, those who died. He literally speak that South African politicians are weak. Those people killed our soldiers. Why didn't we retrieve and go there and also kill them? Blood for blood, not to rhetorical nyango wa no they did something wrong, they must be gone there. That M23, they must be dealt with. That Gagame and Sevi, they were supposed to be dealt with. One, but nothing happened. They didn't do anything. They didn't talk about it. Now people who died, they just died for nothing. Yes, maybe they were fighting for the, but there was Chanda, yeah, Chanda boy. If they did us wrong, they will must also pay. The law is just good with it, man. So I don't know who they tell me because the situations are strong. So I don't know. Another thing, ne? Monopoly Salem. That player, he must just leave what he's doing, go back to practice and play football rather than what he's doing. He will kill his career. The way he's doing that, he's going to kill, kill his career. That guy. He's a good player, but the mentality, the behavior is going to kill his career. You know what I'm saying? We really need to think about it. But the way that we are seeing things now, we're just seeing horrible things. Always this guy is not coming to practice because this, the unlucky what. It didn't happen because he's unhappy because of the unlucky deal was supposed to happen. He was supposed to go to unlucky, and he didn't go. Then now he's unhappy with the person. Then what then one why was some release from this Misakala? I don't know if if he wants to go there, then they must loan him. Come on. What he's doing there is going to kill his off his career. I don't understand what he's doing. Talent Mbata also came to the practice drunk. I don't know what's going on with Perez. Like for real, for real. There's some internal issues when it comes to Orlando Perez. No one. There is an internal issue in equity and as people who are not seeing it in their internal issue. Come on. So we just have to see what they tell me. Because we're literally tired about what's going on at the Orlando Pirates. We're tired. They must just do it. Yes, that the problem is that it's not being run by Ivan because Ivan was going to be the chairperson of PSL and also run one to Orlando Pirates. There has to be someone who is running Orlando Pirates. So I don't know, maybe it's his son who are running it. That's why the situation is like that. So we just have to see who they tell me. Kaka Mutumba and Monopoly Saleh. Yo, there is a freestyle that who's that guy? Tanya released one second of Black Diamond. Literally, that guy was just literally talking with ambitious. You over you are yes, they give us a work deal. They thought Musti Richie back up. We were gonna follow. We didn't follow. It's just that go check it out. You will see easily the boys training. Just go to Daniel's page there and you will see. Also, you can go also in my page and check it out. You'll see that the boys literally talking about ambition. Like, also, I don't understand why people ambitious name. I literally he's talking about they now have weak artist. It's like a broken record. So I don't know what is going to happen. But anyways, that's what it is. You know what it is. It's LPK Rusani Africa. Just hit the subscribe button. We are out of here.